It's Friday, you gotta get down on Friday. Get down here with Sandwich Dad. Hello, let's get down to some grilled cheese business. Now, I actually made this sandwich last night. It was so good I want to remake it. I've still got some of that sourdough bread from the Night Oven Bakery here in Saskatoon, 3 slices of old cheddar cheese, as well as some of that manchego cheese I got on sale, which is a Spanish sheep's milk cheese, if you'd like to know. Now, one of my favorite tricks on a grilled cheese is put a little bit of mustard on one piece of bread. We're using Kozlik's Extra Hot there. Put the hat on. Looks pretty nice. Another grilled cheese trick everyone's going to tell you is to use mayonnaise, but I've done that trick. It didn't change my life, as you said. I still prefer butter. A little bit of water in the pan, put a little plate on top to steam that cheese. Flip it, more butter. Other side, twist it around. Maximum butter coverage. Put the plate on, finish steaming. Check the undercarriage, seems to look pretty good. And we're going to move this downstairs to the new Sandwich Dad office. And then, of course, we're going to cut diagonally and reveal. Good gravy. Pretty simple combination, but look at that pull. Wonderful looking grilled cheese. Taste test. Still pulling. Looks so good, even Sandwich Lad came down to give it 5 out of 5 easy chairs. Sandwich Dad, good day.